Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to copy all the cards from Trello to Microsoft Planner quickly and easily so that you don't have to recreate everything from scratch. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on Trello.com and then log in into your account. After that, you need to open your Trello board that you want to move. As you can see, I'm currently in this board of mine. So over here, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, the third option will be print, export and share. So you need to select this option. After that, you will be able to see the options of exporting in CSV, exporting in the JSON file, and exporting in the form of print and also show QR code. So over here, previously when you were using Trello, the export as CSV option is for premium, but as you can see currently I'm using Trello for 14 days absolutely for free, so they have given me this option. So you can export now in the form of CSV because CSV works best with the Microsoft Planner. So here click on the option of export as CSV and it will just take some time in exporting the file and it will come here on the top. Now if you have a free account and you can't export it in the form of CSV, you need to first of all export it in the form of JSON file. After that, you need to use a converter in order to convert that JSON file into the CSV format. So make sure that the CSV include the card name, due dates and the descriptions. So once you have done that, you need to simply come here on Microsoft Planner. Over here, once you create a new plan, you can select the option of import. Then you can import the file that we have just imported from our Trello board, which is the CSV file. So you need to select that particular file in your Microsoft Planner and you will be able to import it very easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.